First.
No, hold on. The price will be round trip ticket from Jurong East to Pasir Ris via MRT. Okay na ba tayo?
Game!
Music please. Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Yeah, dance, come on.
Ang hindi sumayaw, walang ano. Walang. Enjoy ang mga lalaking ito. Ay, wala pa kayo. Ay, nag-enjoy. Excited, wala pa talaga. Wala pa, oo. Woo! Diyos ko, Lord. Pwede kang mag-steal. Ate, pwede kang mag-steal. 3, 2, 1. Thank you very much.
Tanggalin isa. Yung matira, gwapo!
Okay. Sarap nito.
Why you sit like that? No, you must sit like that.
Dito tayo. Ano naman yun?
Isa na lang?
How's your okay? Heavy, very heavy. Oh my God. Oh, heavy. Let's go, guys. Okay.
Want to be here? Are you go there? You go there? Tanggalin mo muna yung bragais mo. Bragais!
You, make sure you sit properly. You do like that. But sit, you just,
Okay.
you just like, you just like, hey.
Go move. About here. Guys, about here. So this is a showdown. So same thing.
Oh my gosh.
basag ang kinabukasan ng dalawang kulang ng dito. Ayun na. Thank you very much. Thank you. Alam niyo bakit Pinoy ang iniwan? Pag Pinoy, matigas. Ayan. Oh guys, dahan-dahan ha. Ang pag-upo, dahan-dahan. Hindi lahat ng binibigla masarap. Pag binibigla masakit. Ha? Gusto niyo ba sa baba na lang? Oh, sige, dito na lang tayo sa baba. Sa baba. Yan, teka lang, bago yan interview.
Ay, pareho.
Kuya, ano pangalan mo?
Pareho silang matinik.
Married, single, married. Single.
Ay, ako mauna.
May tatanong ako, nagpapaibig pero hindi pa handang umibig? Ay, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Hindi, okay lang yan. One night stand. Okay lang yan, mag-asawa na pag-iiwalay. Joke lang. So, ilang taon ka na dito sa Singapore? 4 years? Ay, bago. Ikaw ilang taon ka na? 14. Nakailan ka na? Tinatanong ko na kailang amo ka na. Nakailan? So, nakaluwag-luwag ka na, nakawala ka na eh. Maluwag na ba? Gaano kaluwag? How about you? Ilang taon ka na sa SG? Nakailan ka na? Naamo? Dalawa, so hindi ba masyado? Dalawa. Ikaw, ilan? Anong pinakamahaba? Which one is the longest? Ano M? Malaki? Wait, I'm just asking how many. Which one is the longest years that you stayed with your boss? Dutch. So Dutch is the longest in Manila. Okay, let's go continue this.
Galingan nyo! Ay, yung manalo daw, iuwi nyo yan. Ay, mga winner, iuwi nyo pag inyo na. Inyo na.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo,
yeah.
no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always
yeah.
flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the of positivity. I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest of go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
Sandali lang. Sandali. Ano yung sinabi ko kanina? Uupo sa lap ng taong nandun sa silya. O, sandali lang. Sandali. O, kailangan ka. Sandali. O, expect. Upo. Upo ka. O, sige, tayo ka ulit. Tayo ka ulit. Tayo ka. Hindi, tayo ka dito. Tayo ka dito. Upo, tingnan nyo. Wawala yung prize. O, sandali lang. Ano nangyari? Huwag ka umalis.
Medaya mo!
Since po sa lalaki ay upo sa lahat ng lalaki nasa sila. Dahil naghati kayo, hati na lang kayo.
Ikaw na lalaki.
Ayan.
Magpuprotesta na ako. Magpuprotesta ako kasi okay.
Tatlo to.
Ay, kamayan mo naman. Congrats! Congrats!
Roxy! Roxy!